What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video, man. I've been missing that shit. Feel like I've been on vacation, really, but nonetheless, man, I'm back. And first of all, I said last video that this video was supposed to be the giveaway. This video is not the giveaway. This video is to explain to you how I'm going to do the giveaway, and I think y'all might want to come on in. Come on in for the people in the back. Come on in. So I asked y'all. I asked you guys to do the animal and the number and put in the comment section the last video, not the last, the one before last, and that would allow you entry into the drawing. If you did it past the due date, then you kind of missing out. I will be checking the dates, and you know, it is what it is. Also, if you got the same name as somebody, I realize instead of penalizing y'all and saying you won't be qualified, you won't count, you would just have to split the amount that you are awarded with whoever has that amount. Or whoever has that name. Very unfortunate, but that's why you got to be unique. I mean, it is what it is. Instead of voting both of y'all out. So if the prize is like $20, then you might have to split it 10 and 10. Y'all lost because y'all picked the same number and the same animal. But it is what it is. I don't think nobody, I think I probably seen one that was probably similar. So nobody has nothing to worry about currently, but just in case, that is a piece of it. What else we got? I got some more housekeeping things to take care of. Thank you guys for rocking out with me, man. My recent videos have been hitting 1K easy, and basically, I guess giving it time to sit on YouTube and, you know, get views, it allows it to go up, and even people rewatching it. One shout out to, what is his name? Don't let me mess it up. I think his name was Jake. Shout out to Jake. Jake said he rock out with the videos. We had a cold conversation, and I told him I was gonna give him a shout out. So shout out to Jake. And he also said that he uses other platforms instead of Cash App, which I agree. I want to put y'all on game too with that. He said use other applications instead of Cash App because he don't like how Cash App do things and whatnot. And he said, but he liked the rhythm and the fluency of, I guess, the videos that I show and produce for you guys. So I said, yeah, I appreciate that. You ain't got to necessarily use Cash App. I always say this, you guys, you don't have to use Cash App. Cash App is just one of those, it's right in your face type things. You can use Webull, you can use Coinbase, you can use whatever platform you want to use. I mean, they all do the same in a sense, but Webull, that's my top one. I'm not going to lie to y'all because it comes with a lot of different intricate stuff. Cash App is just more so for the beginners, people who just starting out, people who not really familiar and don't want to get overwhelmed, you know. So that's where I come from when I kind of show the Cash App side of things. Also, to me, it's just easy, right in your face, boom. So with that being said, these are the stocks that I still currently have. Let me backtrack again. Let me go ahead and tell y'all how the drawing finna go down, because I know that's what y'all really been waiting on. I ain't even finna play with y'all. So this is what I said. The drawing, if you got the same name, same animal, and the same number, whatever it is, you would just have to split. You just have to split that amount if awarded. Now, say if one of y'all in the group and one of y'all not, then I'm gonna just favor it to the person that's in the group. Not my fault. Not my fault. Also, if you are in my group, I think y'all better pay attention to this. If you in a group, if you in my group, I need you to go to the giveaway tab. Let me go ahead and go to it real quick. Go to Discord. Hit that side 3 slashes, whatever, and go to where I put it at. Giveaway time. I got 10 slots. If you are in my Discord, it's gonna be in order, and I'm gonna start with 0. They ain't gonna know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna start with 0, and you got 10 slots. You got to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoever, and you got to be in order. You have to be in order. If it's not in order, if you do 1 and then 3, you out of there. So I will be giving $25 off rip to whoever is in the Discord. And this could probably happen within the next day or two versus waiting on the video to drop and I actually do the giveaway for the actual YouTube channel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lock it in. All you got to put is the number for the first 10 people. That's all I can say. So you put that in. Y'all have a chance to get the 25. In addition to the entries that you already probably submitted on the YouTube video itself, they're gonna probably be like, why Corey put a 0 in here? And if they start adding in 1, 2, 3 off rip, then I might just let them slide with that too. But it is what it is. What else we got? So thank you again for those who support me. I appreciate y'all joining the Discord. To join the Discord, hit the email sonsundaddad@gmail.com. I think that's how it is. And yeah, we'll get right. So that's that. Oh, somebody just put a question mark. I'm not gonna tell them what it is though. So let's see. So currently these are the stocks that I do have that I really don't want to get into because I'm really trying to dumb it down. But I am trying to also do a little flipperoo with some of these stocks. Y'all see who at the top, right? Ideanomics is kind of up there currently for the daily return. They are still, at 6 cents. So it's a very cheap stock. And I told y'all, man, something deep down is telling me like, bro, just hold on to your Ideanomics stocks. And then another thing too is you can't even buy it on Cash App right now. So it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's about to be a reverse stock split or if the price is just too low for Cash App to accept it according to their standards. But you still can buy it on Webull, you still can buy it on Coinbase, you still can get it on Robinhood, you still can get it on all these other platforms. So that's another reason why I say, hey man, looking to use the other platforms if you care that much to do so. So that's that. I just want to show you guys kind of what stocks I have. I don't really want to get into, the logistics behind each and every one because, it is what it is. And I had another question earlier about Grove. Grove did a reverse stock split, as everybody know. I could probably just get into that one. I had 800 shares. It split it right in half to 400. I was like, whoop-de-doo. But I'm down 187 currently. And I just feel like Grove is still a good stock to have. Hands down, it's still a good stock to have. It's just going to take a minute to get back around town because of the reverse stock split. And I say give it a few months just to kind of see what it does. I'm going to still probably hold on to it. And in contradiction to what I've been saying, hey, I'm going to restart my portfolio. I'm going to restart it. I just want to make sure I restart at the right moment in time and I don't necessarily waste money, but lose too much money. So that is that. Also, while I've been away, I've been trying to look out for you guys. I have created an Excel sheet. Let me go ahead and do a screen record real quick. Recording. So I did an Excel sheet. This Excel sheet can be found. I'll probably put a link on the coming video or the next video after that, or you can email me. Better yet, hit the email if you want this Excel sheet. So basically, as you see, let me bring it in front so I can kind of look up and look at this at the same time. All right, so I call it a stock goal chart. You got the industry. You can put like EV if you want to get very technical and, you want to put more on it. What else we got? You got the stock name, of course, what stock you're invested in, how much money you put in, the amount of shares that you own, and the current share price. And I got it to basically tell you what your gain and loss is based upon, what you have. I just kind of inputted some numbers there just to kind of have a mock trial, just to kind of show you guys, like, this is what it would be if you kind of had this. Let's go to what stock I just showed you guys. Let's go to Grove. Right, so my Grove, it says $8.99. So let me put in $8.99. I just want to show you how this worked really quick. And 76 cents. The shares that I own is 400. And the current share price is 178. And look what number it resembles. 7, 12, 10. And the reason why it's not the point, whatever, let me add all my decimals just so you guys can get the actual number, 0.5656021. All right, there you go. So right now I'm down 187 and 66 cents. My total right now, top right on my Cash App screen, is 712 and 10 cents, which resembles right here. So now this allows me, guys, to say, okay, well, I have this stock. Well, what would I have if this stock went up to, let's say $5? If this stock went up to $5, that'll be the predicted gain or loss, and this is what I'll be taking home in a sense. You can play around with it. Let's go to $6. It adjusts. Let's go to $10. So if Grove just wanted to go up to, if Grove just wanted to go up to $10 today, please do. Then that would be, you know, a $3,000 increase from what I'm at right now, if that makes sense. And it does make sense because, once again, if you do 10 times the amount of shares that you own, that's how you get that number. The graph, this Excel sheet is not hard to put together. So no, I'm not going to charge you guys. It'll be free. It'll be however you want to get it, email, or I could probably put a link under the video. It'll be right there for you. It's basically this right here, but on the Excel sheet. The reason why I did create it is because I want you to see what it's like to see the predicted amount. Because most people are like, okay, well, I don't feel like doing the math, and this is all seem kind of complicated. Hey man, Corey, how much if this share price went up to $20, how much would I get? That's how much you'll get. I got the predicted gain/loss. If it's red, you'll be in the negatives. If it's black, you'll be in the positive. The takeaway is basically what you will have in the sense of the amount that you will be taking away if you take out the whole amount. It's selfless. It's very self-explanatory. So I can't stress it enough. And then, you know, you have a total amount invested, which it basically just takes all the money. Total amount invested here. It takes all the money that you invested and it just equal it up over there to let you know how much you done put in thus far. Woo! That's a mouthful. But I created that while I was gone, just to kind of help you guys out. And I do want to make it more detailed in the sense of, you know, adding little knickknacks and little things. And even if you take it and you decided to do something else with it and make it, you know, more than just what you see here, that's cool too. It was just a foundation, a format, a setup, a startup, or whatever you want to call it, just to get you going, just for the new people, just for, you know, the people that rock with me. So I did something for y'all there. But other than that, and there is a thought that I want you guys to take a look at, and let me see if I can get to it real quick. Where is it? Microvision. Hey, go check out Microvision, y'all. It's been going up and it's been doing you know, a steady increase. And honestly, I should have got in it when it was talked about in the group. I don't know what I was thinking, but I know what I was thinking. I was broke at the time, but but at the end of the day, I seen it and then I added it and I was like, you know, I'm just watch it. And everybody that did invest in it, I'm glad they, you know, shared it with the group and invested together and kind of, you know, made it a whole ordeal. But basically, it's going up, and you know, it went up today from 6 to what it was, 693 all the way to 741. So you would have got a profit if you would have invested it. What? As soon as it opened, more than likely, yeah. So it says down 1.98, but that's, you know, that's because of where it came from the previous week. But still, it's climbing and it's doing well. And it kind of got a green light for me. So just check that one out. You don't necessarily got to invest in it. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude that know a dude. But with that being said, man, I think that's what I'm gonna leave it at. And just be on the lookout for the next video. I think that's what I'm gonna leave it at. Yeah, the next video will be the giveaway. I keep forgetting to tell y'all, bruh, the rules. I'm bouncing all over the place. The rules for the giveaway is basically, okay, so there's gonna be 2 or 3 winners, right? Off rip, I'm gonna do a $50 giveaway and I'm gonna do a $25 giveaway. And then I might do another 25. I might. So 50 and 25. If you win from the YouTube animal and number ordeal, then I would double it if you're in the group. However, the group just got a whole separate different drawing anyways, so go figure that. And then but that's only for 10 people, so that's why I still kind of double it for the YouTube aspect of things. But if it'll be, I might, and that's why I keep saying I might do 3. Anyways, I might do 2, 3. I'm gonna figure it out. So $25 and $50 if you're in the group. it will get doubled. So if you win the 25, it get doubled to 50. If you win the 50 and you're in a group, it get doubled to 100. So, and then you got to just tell me what sock you want, and then we can go from there. And that is how the drawing will go. So I'll do the spin wheel, put everybody's name again on the spin wheel, and 9 times out of 10, I would do it on Sunday just to give myself enough time to get everybody's names locked in and, you know, on the wheel. And then that way I can make the video, bounce on to it, and we be good. So with that being said, this your boy Corey T, and thank you for rocking out with your boy. Thank y'all for being patient, and we back on, man. We back on. So we're gonna get right to it. See y'all on Sunday.